In this video, I will unbox the Nillkin Nature TPU Pro case for the Galaxy S23. Let's open it and check out the case. Here's the case after removing all the stickers. It feels solid, and it doesn't feel cheap. Yep, it comes with the necessary cutouts and buttons. It also comes with reinforced corners. The sides are flexible for easy installation, while the back is hard plastic. Let's try to install it. Well, it's easy and it fits perfectly. It has raised edges to protect the screen when placed on a flat surface. The buttons and cutouts seem precise. There are also very slight raised edges to protect the back cameras. It's nice to hold and doesn't feel slippery in hand. Let's try to remove it. As you can see, removing the case from the phone is also no issue. Let's check out the weight next. Well, together with the phone, it's still less than 200 grams. It isn't heavy. Overall, I like this transparent case as it lets me show off the original lime color of my phone. It doesn't feel cheap, and it's good enough to protect my phone from scratches.